YouTube? It's your boy Chris coming back with a long overdue video. I know I've been off the camera for a while. I'm still here, still living, still breathing. But the last video I showed you guys, I had did a couple mods to the BMW. And since then, I'm sorry y'all, I'm in the garage. But since then, I haven't uploaded. I just been busy. I've been working, trying to get stuff together. So today, I'm gonna make a video. I got an off day, so that's what we're gonna be getting into. So let me just get into the video, cause y'all don't wanna hear me talk. All right guys, so here she is right here. She's in the garage for right now because it's raining outside. So I went ahead and washed her up last night. I did lose a center cap. So I gotta order new center caps, but I have a plan for that, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if I showed you guys last time, but I got the windows tinted. So the windows are tinted 5% all the way around. And then I have 35 on the front windshield. So right now the light is hitting it, so you can see the reflection. But get y'all guys a close up. It's kind of squished in here. But I cleaned her up last night. So you guys can see. I think this angle will be better for you guys. So let me pull her out the garage so you guys can see a better picture. So unfortunately, it's raining outside, and I don't want to get the car wet. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looked like from the inside. Let me close the hood because I was detailing her last night. So this is her. Polish the headlights. Everything is still factory. You know, haven't really done anything. Y'all can see the tint got a little darker, but haven't really done nothing but added the 35 on the windshield and the 5 all the way around. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. All these wheels have curb rash. I bought the car like that. So, not sure if I want to sell them or just get them fixed. All you got to do is sand them out. Bondo, sand, repaint. Common issue I found with these lights. If you guys want to know how these lights are holding up, the common issue I found with these lights, the adhesive on these lights over time, they just don't stick. It still works, but it doesn't, the adhesive just doesn't stick. Let me show you guys the inside. Haven't really done too much. This is the 5%. Show you guys. That's the inside. That's what I used last night with a couple other waxes. Took the floor mats out. They right there. I need to clean them off. But other than that, it's bone stock in here. Haven't did anything to the car yet. Haven't put a radio in it, anything. The factory speakers in here sounds pretty good, actually. So I may just keep it like that. But we go to the trunk, and I don't have much in here. I did buy a, you guys can't see it. I did buy a 12-inch kicker in the ported box. 500, I think it's 1,000 watts, but 500 RMS. But this BMW comes with a good package sound, so I don't have to really worry about bass. Now, this camera right here, I'm gonna show you guys what that is. The camera right there is actually for this mirror right here. So, look it up. As you can see. So I did add a dash cam. That's the front, back, front. But that's all I did. Not too much. Yeah, guys. So that's basically the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, comment below, hit that like button, and I see you guys in the next one. Peace.